Want to know how to clear your data in Raid Shadow Legends? So if your game has any errors and if you want to clear out all your data in order to start fresh, or just simply clear out every single file size that is here in the game, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you specifically for Android only on how you can easily clear your data. So if you want to clear your data on your iPhone, you can just simply reinstall your game. So first things first, you can just simply see this Raid Shadow Legends application right here in front of me, and you can just simply hold on it. Now this seems like an app info on the top right here, and now once I select app info, here you should be seeing your app information coming up with data usage and lots more. So on the bottom right side, you should also be seeing clear data right here. Just simply select it. So now once I select clear data, here should be saying clear all data. You need to select that and then select OK. So once I selected OK, all of your data should be cleared easily and your Raid should have a fresh start. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.